I'm Rob, qualified electrician and proud owner of Kinetic Electrical. We recently finished the electrical fit out for Mel and Carl, who own LB Collison Repar Group here in Whangarei. The project came about when Mel and Carl's business had outgrown their previous premises. They needed to expand into a purpose-built building. Knowing how important electrical is in a business, Mel and Carl approached me to do a full design and install for them in their new premises. Because the location's so great, and the building's a beautiful building, we wanted to make sure that everything worked seamlessly. Pro Series was great for that.
We just wanted to improve our efficiencies and processes in our workplace. We come from an older facility, and obviously, as you see behind us, a lot more technology here. It's about our staff as well, staff retention, and we wanted to have the ultimate place for them to work in and provide their service towards us. In terms of electrical, we teamed up with Kinetic Electrical, Rob Pascoe. He was just a fantastic bloke to deal with, and obviously what we've put in place out the back here is second to none, and it just provides our customers with the ultimate sort of setup moving forward.
We always knew there was going to be challenges to this project. Carl is very particular in the way he goes about his business. He knew what he wanted from the start, and it always had to be the best. Recommending PDL Pro Series was a no-brainer really, because we knew how resilient it was going to be in a hard-working environment that it's been installed in. It's also very modern and looks really sharp in both the workshop and the office environments. The labelling of windows were perfect, so easy to identify where the circuit is coming from, so it can be easily isolated and worked on in the future. We also completed a full data install for Mel and Carl, and the PDL Pro Series again was perfect as it matched in with the power outlets. It's also great that the Pro Series comes in a 15 amp solution as well, as Carl staff have a lot of 15 amp equipment they need to use in the workshop. So it's really awesome for them to be able to move this gear around to different outlets located throughout the building, grinders, welders, compressors, equipment like that. We were able to integrate the Pro Series with the automation system installed here as well. Just helps with energy efficiency, giving control over the workshop and the office areas, giving Carl great control over the lighting, making sure everything was ready for his staff when they arrive at work each day. We're always looking for ways to try and make the building more efficient. With the uptake of the EV vehicles, it was really important to be able to charge customers' cars while they're being repaired. The last thing Carl wanted was his boys to be having to push cars around the workshop because they had a flat battery. Knowing how important phones are today for everybody, obviously we needed some way for the boys to be able to charge their phones, so installing USB chargers in their smoko room was another no-brainer really.
My favourite part in the workshop is obviously staff are notorious for leaving lights on in the toilets and so on, so that's why those sensor control lights are fantastic. Having
just completed this project with Pro Series, we found that it really filled a gap in the market. There was nothing purposely built for the commercial industry, and this really filled that space nicely. Pro Series and Schneider really offered a complete solution for this project. Everything from the outlets, circuit protection, EV chargers, right through the whole range. Me and my team are really proud of what we achieved here for Mel and Carl and their team. It was a great experience for everyone. The project came out really, really well. It's just been a game changer for us really.